Assalamu alaikum friends, join my telegram channel for notification. And today I have logo bundle. Here is 28 bundle of logo. Different designs are different format like AI file, PNG, JPG for preview, APS, and last is SVG file. Total size is 2.63 GB, 62 GB, and file is 1870 file in 251 folder. Okay, but don't worry, I will compress for you in Google Drive link. You can download in 1 point something GB and then extract. When you extract, then you have received 2.62 GB. Okay, so first here is editable text, logo and pattern, AI files. No in Adobe Illustrator at this time. Here is logo, APS file. Here is SVG, PNG, preview. You can change everything. Okay, AI file is here for Adobe Illustrator. Pattern, editable text, same here. AI file for Adobe Illustrator. Frames, honeybee, and here is Instagram highlight story templates. And these files in PSD. Here is JPG. Here is APS file. Instagram highlight story, and here is logo bundle for Canva, SVG file. These are in zip file. Here is 262 MB file. Okay, logo element for frame, black, white, AI file. Okay, you see 20 logo element, frames, illustration logo element. Wow, you can change AI file, PNG, SVG, and here is same AI, PNG, and SVG file. Logo template, illustrations, PNG. Wow. Next is a logo template volume 2, script, black and gold. Here is snake, butterfly, moon, cat. Moon, butterfly logo. Here is PNG and APS AI. Wow, you can change color or change design, write anything here. Honest jewelry. Sun logo, see hell, and here is white logo templates, illustration, PNG. Oh, here is white logo. I hope these bundles are useful for you. Subscribe my telegram channel Sheri SK official, and subscribe my this channel Sheri SK for more free data. Take care, Allah Hafiz.